Do you want to know some YouTube video ideas to make money online with affiliate marketing in 2023? If your answer to this question is yes, then this video is for you. YouTube as a social media platform is one of the most widely used websites over the internet. It is a search engine just like Google, where people go to search for information. Hence, it is a great platform to display your inventiveness. It will interest you to know that it is also one of the best places to maximize your affiliate profits. Combining YouTube with affiliate marketing is a great means to offer additional value to your followers, whereas making money simultaneously. Apart from YouTube's ways of making money with your content, affiliate marketing offers you the control as to what product or services you want to promote to maximize revenue. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 YouTube video ideas to make money with affiliate marketing. Coming up. If you are new to affiliate marketing, you may be wondering what affiliate marketing is all about. Affiliate marketing is a process of promoting someone's product or service to earn a commission. So if you have a product or service you want to promote in order to earn a commission, the best way to do this is by creating content that you can use in order to promote your affiliate products or services. That is, after you choose a platform where you want to promote your products or services. So in this video, we are going to leverage YouTube with 5 video ideas I'm going to be sharing to make money with affiliate marketing. So if you are ready, here are the 5 YouTube video ideas to make money with affiliate marketing. Number 1. Product reviews. With product reviews, you can promote specific products. By reviewing a specific product, it means that there is a product which you have used yourself and find the need to recommend it to others. It could be your family, friends, or the general public. To do this, you need to create a video where you talk about the product you want to review. This means you need to talk about the product or service in detail, which includes the features of the products, its pricing, and its pros and cons. However, I'll caution that do not review a product which you do not use yourself. In a nutshell, doing a specific product review should be on the very product or service you have used. Examples of product review titles may include Samsung Q2U review or Newer 366 review. You get the idea. Number 2. Best X for Y. This is where you would want to talk about the best product for what. Here, your audience does not know the particular brand they are looking for. So you have to recommend to them the best product they can use for what. For instance, you can talk about the best USB microphone under $100 or best USB microphones for YouTube beginners. With this, you can list the number of best USB microphones you want to talk about in the YouTube description with their respective affiliate links. I will highly recommend you talk about between 3 and 10 products at a time. This is my opinion though. Do not get overwhelmed by talking about unlimited products in one video. Apart from best X for Y, you may consider talking about top best X for Y or top 5 best X for Y. Number 3. Versus videos. Another YouTube video idea you can use to promote your affiliate products is by doing versus videos. This is where you can pick 2 or 3 products and compare them. You can do this by letting your audience know the best reasons why they cannot use product A, but rather use product B. You need to let them know product A is the best at its current price over product B. Give them a reason why they may want to consider going in for product B over product A, despite product A being less costly. Number 4. Answer specific questions. In answering specific questions, you may be solving the problems your audience might have. To answer specific questions, you need to consider looking for questions we ask in our daily lives. If you are running a YouTube channel or a blog, you may be getting questions from the comments your audience will be dropping in the comment sections of your videos or blog posts. You may also use Google to come up with questions you want to answer by doing your research. Number 5. How-to's videos. This is pretty easy to do in my opinion. Do you want to show or teach your audience how to do something? The best way to do this is by doing your research very well so that you'll be on top of what you want to talk about. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing, you can go and learn about what you want to be teaching your audience. Just make sure you can use whatever system you want to share with them and you are good to go. Assuming you want to show your audience the 5 best ways to manage personal finances at home, you can go ahead and recommend some books they need to read in order to manage their personal finances at home. That's it, guys. So now you know the 5 YouTube video ideas to make money with affiliate marketing. And the best place to start, in my opinion, is the Amazon Affiliate Partnership Program. You can go ahead and apply these 5 YouTube video ideas to any affiliate marketing program out there. If you are looking for a profitable and satisfying small business to make money with on the internet, affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to monetize your content on YouTube. YouTube gives a seamless platform with its massive user base and numerous convenient structures to share your affiliate products while being in control over the quality of the content you create. Now, question of the day: which YouTube video idea are you using with affiliate marketing, which is not part of the 5 ideas we've mentioned in this video? Let me know your answers in the comments down below. I hope this video was helpful. If you found value, kindly hit the like button, subscribe, and also enable the notification bell so that each time I post a new video on this channel, you will be the first to know. Keep watching, and I'll see you in the next one.